So I've been awaiting the arrival of this little package for quite a while, or actually not that long really. I don't know if I ever mentioned it on this channel, but my Joy-Con on one of my Switch, the gray left Joy-Con, the one that came with the system, was having a problem with the analog stick, where the analog stick itself actually worked, but it didn't click. Like, it just mechanically stopped clicking, so I couldn't crouch in Breath of the Wild and whatever else you use pressing down the L stick for in certain games. So luckily though, it was under warranty and I sent it in and they supposedly repaired it for free, and I just got it back. It's been less than a week, so they were very quick with it. And let's go ahead and tear this open and see what kind of work they've done with this, if they fixed it. Lots and lots of packaging peanuts in here. Let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. Remember when I was little, I really liked packaging peanuts when I was little. After this, I'll put all the packaging peanuts back in the box just for the heck of the packaging peanuts. And is there any detail on the repair or anything? Nope. Maybe that's what this paper is in the bottom. Yes, it's a letter. I'll open it up off screen. So if there's anything in it personally identifiable. No, it doesn't look like that. Nintendo Switch post-repair instructions. Thank you for sending your consoles to Nintendo for repair. Please read the check boxes below for post-repair information. We have verified your problem and repaired and replaced the defective components. So yeah, that should be about it. It's got another page stapled to it. It's just the exact same thing in a couple different languages. So I guess if you don't speak English, there you go. And then I won't show this one because it has some personally identifiable information on it, but this page basically it just says what they repaired, which was the Joy-Con L. Sweet. So let's go ahead and get the controller. Actually, they wrapped it in plastic for us. Thanks, Nintendo. I appreciate it. And it's wrapped in plastic again, double plastic wrapped. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this back out. And we'll see, does it click? Yes, it does click. Awesome. I'm trying to figure out if they gave me a brand new one. I think that's what they did. It looks like they just gave me a brand new one, because all the scuffs and stuff on the outer case that I had before, the scuffs and things, the scratches, they're all gone. So either they replaced the case, which I highly doubt they would do that. They might as well have just replaced the whole thing. So I think they just sent me a new Joy-Con. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the system and see what it can do. And confirm. Nah, we won't download the update. Let's go ahead and confirm that this, the analog stick on this new Joy-Con is actually working properly. I believe it is, but like I said, it was mechanically not clicking before. Now it appears to be clicking, so we should be all good once it boots up. I don't even remember where exactly I am in the game. We're just going to see if we can crouch, because that's all that really matters right now. Can you crouch? Good question. Good question. Game is loading up. Yada yada yada. It's getting there, guys. Okay, let's click it. And Link crouches. Yay. So that was all I needed. That was my bit of satisfaction. Thank you guys for watching. This was my Nintendo Switch Joy-Con getting repaired here, or replaced. My experience with Nintendo customer service, repair, replacement, 100% good. No problems whatsoever. Less than a week, and I got it back, and it was a free repair because it was under warranty. So, awesome experience. Let me know down in the comments below if you've had different experiences with Nintendo customer repair. If you've had any problems with the Joy-Con, I would highly recommend sending them in. Be sure to subscribe because I've got some awesome content coming soon, hopefully, and I'll see you guys later.